An airplane cleaner was cleaning the pilot's cockpit. When he saw a book. Titled, How to Fly an Airplane for Beginners, Volume 1. He opened the first page, which said, to start the engine, press the red button. So he did. And the airplane engine started. He was happy. And he opened the next page. To get the airplane moving, press the blue button. So he did. And the airplane started moving at an amazing speed. He wanted to fly. So he opened a third page, which said, to let the airplane fly, please press the green button. So he did, and the plane started to fly. He was so excited. After 20 minutes of flying, he was satisfied and wanted to land. So he decided to go to the fourth page. And page 4 says, to be able to know how to land a plane, please purchase Volume 2 at the nearest bookshop. Moral lesson? Never attempt anything without complete information. Half education is not only dangerous, but destructive.